Kulu min tayyibat. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, eat from the clean things. And it's also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَّا تَعْلُقَ, and do not put yourself in destruction with your own hands. And that's what the human beings are doing today, that we are putting ourselves in destruction with our own hands. What we are eating today is not clean. What we are eating today is not healthy. What we are eating today is putting in ourselves in destruction. For example, today is a very attractive groceries, and people are very attractive with the groceries. Oh, this is supermarket, we can buy lots of things. The things we buy in the supermarket is a sickness. The things you buy from the grocery stores, they are sickness. They are not clean food, they are not healthy food, they are contaminated food, and they are harmful foods because they are contains chemicals to preserve them. We are supposed to eat the fresh and clean, and they want to sell it in the supermarket, so they have to preserve it with chemicals. They have to preserve it with harmful substances like sodium benzoate or other kind of preservatives. And those chemicals are destroying our life today. If you can check today in the Philippines, every day the dialysis is keep on increasing. The dialysis centers are keeps on increasing. There are hundreds of thousands of dialysis centers in the Philippines, and one of the main cause of the dialysis, the people who are destroying their kidney, it's because of the chemical consumption. Children are eating the noodles, and noodles contains chemicals. The chips contains chemicals. The snacks contains chemicals. The junk food contains chemicals. And these chemicals are need to be filtered by the kidney. And when the kidney is overwhelmed, keep on filtering those chemicals, and then the time will come, the kidney will start to give up. You go to the doctor, and doctor will give you another medicine to destroy more destruction to the kidney. And then they will put you on the dialysis. My advice to people who are listening to me, and you can advise to other people, never put yourself to dialysis. Dialysis is a one-way ticket for out of this world. You will never come back from the dialysis, and you will never live longer after dialysis. So don't go for the option of dialysis. There are no option with the medical science. Go to the herbal. There are lots of medication which can protect your kidney, and you doesn't need to go for dialysis. And dialysis is not just that only the things they can offer you. When the dialysis will no longer work on you, they will give you the last option. And that last option is not easy for everyone. Even the people who have money, it's not easy for everybody with money. You need 5, 10, 20 million. And sometimes it's not enough because you need a donor. You need someone to give you another kidney of his own. He can keep one kidney, he can borrow you one kidney, and then you can have this one kidney each on both of you. And the mortality is also not good. You will not live longer after this kidney transplantation. And it's always making trouble. It's never ending trouble with transplant. What is do now? Come to the natural life. Come to the, everything is clean from the chemicals. No need to preserve anything. Fresh milk coming from the farm, fresh vegetables without fertilizers, organic. Meat is also organic, no using of chemicals. The chicken must be organic, not the chicken with giving the hormones and antibiotics. Everywhere is this. And why is destruction? Everywhere is destruction. Why? Because of the greediness of the man. Men want to be greedy, so he want to make things cheaper, to make more profit. He don't mind people will die with his food. It's very, very bad attitude of the people today. They are playing the lives of the people because of their profit. Hunger of the profit. I want to make more money. Even I can sell people poison. We need to U-turn. If you stop buying those lethal foods, they will stop producing also. As long as you buy, they keep on producing this harmful food with full of chemicals and hormones and GMO. GMO is against the law of God. God said, La tabdila khalqillah. Do not change the creation of Allah. And whenever you try to go for economical reason, you want to produce more food, you change in the genes of the animal or plants or the grains, you are going to destruction because you're going to change, you're trying to change the creation of Allah. Allah made these genes perfect for us to be healthy food, And because of the greediness, they change the genes and they try to produce more production, and they are destroying the humanity with this.